дээш ч юм уу? Аха.
Би энд очиод зогсчул тэнэг юм уу?
Ой.
My mom and I went grocery shopping. Энийг би хайгаад заахгүй юу? Тэг ийм артад олдохгүйсэн. Сая good price-аас очиж авсан. Тэг нуунтаг нь найруулдаг шул. Тэгээд энэ ийм артын юу л юм жаа. Төмсний очмол аюу гоё юмтай мэлээ. Тэг ингээд хоёр өгсөн заяа. Тэгээд хоёр cream bun авсан. And I got the dishwasher refill. And then I just got yogurt. Би хийх хүрээ дээжиг дарж аваад тэгээд бараг цаг 30 минут салуунд бүсээ янзлуулаад би тэгээд салууны санал дээр ингээд унцсан заа тэр нуруу амар өгдөөд байна. By the way, it's snowing outside. So I am in the mood to hum some Christmas songs. Let me also show you something. So I got this cat grass. It's growing. I used to have a lot of indoor plants at this place, but like after I went away, they just died and no one took care of them. And I might be going away soon, so I don't want to buy indoor plants. So this makes me really, really happy. This is for Yumi to eat because he keeps eating this. So hopefully he eats that instead. I'm going out. And I need my ID, but I can't fucking find it. Beno. Hoi. Weet je nu slapen? 참 너랑 맞아. Okay, we're gonna head out now. I have a sore throat and I couldn't even sleep yesterday night because it kept hurting. And I did take medicine, so hopefully it should be okay. And I don't know how long this meeting is gonna take. We'll see. We'll see. I had a meeting. And there's just like a lot to think about. And I don't know, guys. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. By the way, do you see? I got new lashes. So I got this. What the fuck are you doing? It's this one from Mr. Wish. I also have this Fox one, right? I haven't tried it yet, but it is like slanted like that. Every mascara I have, and I've tried a lot of things, they just like fall down and I get like raccoon eyes. I got this recently and it still like falls down. And I also used to use this like 3CE waterproof mascara, and this also still falls down. And these are like the tiny ones, right? The same with the other one. I guess I'm just not like a mascara person, because it won't like fucking stay put. And I also got the Riri gloss. I don't know if I like this or not. Like, it's very subtle. Like, I didn't think this would be subtle. Like, the color is like very close to my actual lip color, so I don't really see a difference. But then again, I do see a difference. So it's like fucking, so it's kind of fucking with my head. I don't know. Also, I restocked on my hair milk because this wasn't cutting it, guys. This Ichikami one wasn't cutting it. And these lashes are self-adhesive, and that just makes it so much better because I hate like putting glue on lashes. It just like fucking gets everywhere. And I bought this one thinking it would also be self-adhesive, but it's not. And I know that I'm not gonna use this. Maybe I will, I don't know. And I think ever since summer, I've been using the Tsubaki Hair Volume shampoo. And I don't like it anymore, guys. I don't like it anymore. I'm gonna go back to the old one that I used to use. But that one was like really expensive. So a few days ago, it snowed and it got like really cold. Like my throat has been hurting for a few days, but like yesterday, it was so bad. I couldn't even sleep, guys. I couldn't even sleep. I kept waking up in the middle of the night. Like I woke up like 3 to 4 times. And my sister just gave me this. Right? I don't know if this works. We'll try when we get back home. But this works. This does wonders. Crazy. So this is the cat grass that I bought, right? And it's been growing. And it looks really good, but it smells like shit. It literally smells like shit. I'm gonna throw this out, okay? Because I can fucking see mold growing in this. Like, do you see that? The mold? And it's not just there, it's like fucking everywhere. So we're gonna throw out this. Maybe I'll like cut the grass and then throw out the pot. I don't know. Иймдээ би ингээд усыг нэвтүүлээд би тэр шигтээ наранд гарахгүй байгаа болохоор хөвгцрөөд тэгээд амар үнэтэй байж магадгүй заяа. Нараа илүү хоёр байгаа заяа. Тэгээд тэрийг өнөө орой хийж үзчихээс байна.
안 준다고 그래.
이신 정말 막히시니까.
막히셔?
차가 막히시고. 그러지 말라며.
아파.
마지막.
안 갔지? 아빠
봐야겠다는 생각이 듭니다.
나도 유학
하나, 둘, 셋.
I feel like ever since April started, I've just been like stressed. Yeah, I've just been like so fucking stressed because it just felt like nothing was working. I was having a crisis, guys. Like it was one of those moments, and I don't want to downplay it because something I really wanted was no longer available, and it's not a product or whatever. It was an opportunity and just like kind of slipped away. It was like no longer available, and that just like made me so stressed, scared, and I just felt stuck. I really don't want to get into what it is, but yeah, there's been things happening in my life and I just felt like really bad. I had to go and get new ID photos taken. I wanted to show you. This is me. I think the last time I had my ID photo taken was in 2020? Like 5 years ago? I actually want to compare it to my other like past ID photos. I think it'll be funny. I don't know. I look different in all of them. That's the thing. This is my wallet from 6 years ago, and it looks like this now. I have 10 pens in here. Okay, I'll show you my ID photos like over the years. Starting with this little girl. I think she was in like 4th. I don't know. I think this is like kindergarten years. And this one is probably like 6th grade or 5th grade. I don't really remember. And then this is when I turned 18. And then this, I don't really remember. But I think it was in 2020. But this was me in, I think it was like 6 months apart from this. Maybe a year apart. And this is me today. I don't know, I just feel like I look different in all of them. But yeah, that's me over the years. Oh my god, би нэг юмэрхүү би ингээд 5 дахь тахаа байхаа өсөндөөс хор хийлүүлчихсэн байхгүй юу. Тэгчээд ингээд өсөндөөс хор хийлүүлчихэд би ингээд энэ миний жинхэнэ үс гэдэг бодлоо яриад явдаг байсан за. And I still remember that. I don't know, I stopped cringing at myself. I guess when I was younger, I would like remember things that I did in like middle school or high school, and I would like cringe. And I would be like, oh, why did I do that? Oh, I don't want to think about it. Stuff like that, right? But now I don't really give a shit, you know? I don't really care. Like it happened, and that's fine. I just let it go. And to be honest, no one believed me when I said this is my natural hair. Because why would you believe me when it's so obviously fake? I have a family dinner tonight, so we're gonna get ready for that. An update on the braces. It's gotten so much better. Хэл яриа буцаад ингээ хивэндээ ороод ингээ гайгүй засарч байгаа. Анх яг аппарат хэлүүлчихэд яг инээхээр гараараа ингээ аваа таглаадсан хгүй юу. Одоо бол тэхгүй байгаа за. I really don't give a fuck. I actually wish I got braces back in high school. If I did that, I would be eating chips right now. The жоохон юм заажил чадж байгаа заяо. Амар жоохон буйл холгоод байсан. Тэрнээс гайгүй болсон. So that's one good news. It's really cold outside. And Speed just came to Mongolia. He's at the Genghis Khan Museum. And we're gonna go to the city center. We're gonna deliver paperwork, but before that, we have to drop by work to get another piece of paperwork to submit.
Could you like make a collab song with you and the woman? That would be hard. That's why I told her to come back. No. Look at
We call it Wolf of the Sky. Never backstop.
You know, when I watch like Mongolian people on like random street interviews or just like them talking in English, sometimes I wonder if I have that accent. I feel like sometimes it comes out. But most of the time, I feel like I have a pretty, like, what would I say, like, white accent. I'm just waiting for the laundry to finish to go out. Why did you... Yes, I'm That's a qare. It was just a little хатаацын гоё хийжээ. Тэр музейд татах юм уу?
тэрийг бүгдийг нь.
За маргааш харъя гэж. Энийг л явуулчихсан юм уу? Чи энэ жижигэн юунууд яаж ямар амар сэтгэнүүд гоё харагдчихдээ. Яа тэр тэнгисийн хэрэгтэн үсээ юу болгоцсон. Бүх гарсан ингэ нүцгэж байгаа. Нөгөө нэг шинэ 3 хүн орж ирсэн шүү дээ. Тий. Скол за яхаа эднэр бол уус тодорхой. Бүртийн нааж болох уу? Эднэр бүртнүүдтэйгээ нааж үзье. Ингэхдээ элдвэрийн аяга гоё наа тий.
Чи тэрний стримийг үзсэн үү?
Үзсэн шүү дээ. Өчтөчгөө үзсэн шүү дээ.
Үзсэн үү?
Бүгд тэгээд ингээд дөрөв гарцтай юм биш үү? Дөрөв халахтай юм байна. Пик дүүрэн жавх. Ан дээр зинхэр цэцгий.
За.
Энэ шиг зинхэр юм.
За.
Тийм, энэ нь хомж жоохон тод авах хэрэгтэй наа. Энэ дээр ингэдэй. За. Тэр нөөний юуны тэнд нөөн бахан гэлцэл материалын нэг л үрээд штий. Бөмбөрийн тэнд. Тэнд би нэг амар гоё материал харсан юм аа. Толик тийш орох уу? Өнөөдөр.
Гурийн дөрвөлжин бараас класстай юу?
Тийм гээд ингээд юуны.
Энэ үү?
Мөрний.
Хөөе тэгээд ийм юмнууд зардсан штэ.
Тийм.
Ийм юм бас авчиг.
Тийм. Энэ цэцгнүүд чамд ямар юм?
Надад ч юм бол зүгээр л юм.
За хоёрыг авчив.
Нэг хараад нүдэлчих юм уу? Тэгээд офлоод болоод өмсч хараад.
Энэ зүг сонголсон юм уу?
Тэг.
Хөөш.
Бааччихна.
자,
Тийм биш.
We are going to a birthday party. And I don't know, I was just gonna wear like jeans and a shirt, but I don't know, he told me to wear a dress, so I'm wearing a dress. And now I look like I'm going to a funeral, but like this is the only dress I have. The other ones are like so summery. This is the look, I'll show you. This is not even my dress, it's my sister's. The only thing that I don't like about it is this zipper in the back. And I am wearing tights underneath with my little shoe. I'm gonna get a cab now. And I'm just wearing my, what is this called? Palto? Coat? And it's really dirty outside. Like it's really windy. But the only thing that's like flying around is like dust. I feel like I look like an ambassador's wife. Or maybe, I don't know, mistress. I don't know, but yeah, that's the look. And I'm gonna head out now. I don't know if I can film, but I'll show you what I can. Okay, it's like almost 10 p.m. I am so tired, but I have shit to do now. By the way, this is how my makeup looks. Like, I have a few bumps here and there, but I think for the most part it looks okay. Gonna take the lashes off. I tried out these like fox ones today. 이신이 이딘 데 진짜 애기는 миний тохоо ширээ гэсэн. Эгийн сүүлийн хоёрын тавьсан чи яг айгуур харагцсан. And that's it. Яа, ер нь л ингээд адилхан зовлон дээр ингээд сормонсны шиг бодог буугаад байвал зүгээр хэмэд сормосоо төрсөн аа гэдэг мэлээ. Guys, I just made a TikTok and yo, what the fuck? It's very thirst trappy. That's what I would say. I don't know, I posted 2 of them. I felt like this was more like 2012, 13, Snapchat, lip syncing. I don't know. And we're gonna watch Legally Blonde and we're gonna cook. I haven't fucking cooked in days. I finished work for today and it's almost like 8. We're gonna make an egg stir fry. So, with some veggies that I need to cut. But let's do the eggs first. Isn't it such a Barbie song? Perfect day, nothing's gonna stand in my way. And we're gonna put some salt, pepper, paprika. I don't know, I never really used to use paprika, but ever since I bought this jar, like, I've been putting it in literally everything.
Because you're afraid your family won't like me. Everybody likes me.
I just got back from the dentist. Апраад чангалуулсан. Өглөө яг яарад гэрээ бүтэн цэвэрлж амжааг байхгүй. So we're gonna do that now. Тэгээд гэрээ цэвэрлчээд тэтгүүлээ дэлгүүр гараад жоохон хүнс авъя. I'm just like feeling really like sad and happy at the same time. I don't know why. I think my period is coming. I don't know, but манай шүдний юмснаа гэсэн за чи араагаа сайн угаахгүй байна. Араа угаахгүй байгаад хаш амнаас ч өмнөх юм байна шүү дээ. Гэтгсэн за би яг хэлчихсэн ахгүй. Намнаас өмнөх үнэртэй дахин угаагаад хахад гэдгсэн. Тэгээ хэлчихсэн чи тэгээд хэлсэн за. And she gave me this шүдний sides. So we're gonna try this out tonight. Okay, so I cleaned the house, I showered, I went out to get groceries, and I put the food on the stove. You know what I'm so happy about today? It's the fact that I didn't do any work. I bought this like product photography table that I really wanted. So I'm gonna test that out in a few days. Okay, I'm in the midst of putting in hair extensions. We might need to buy more. You see, like, these parts don't really blend well. But I feel like that might change when we straighten my hair. So we'll see. There. Okay, I really hope this doesn't burn the fucking hair. Okay. I've kind of roughly straightened it out. Do you like? Am I a catfish? I think I might be a catfish, guys. Okay, I just got out of the shower. I haven't filmed in probably like weeks. I was just so fucking busy. As you can tell from my face, I've been eating shit for the last few days for like non-stop. It was like KFC, ramen, just like a bunch of shit, and I've been eating really bad. And I've been getting pimples right around here. It's fine, like the pimples don't really bother me that much. It does a little bit. But the thing that's bothering me is the fact that I'm not fucking eating and cooking. So the meat should be defrosted. I'm gonna cook. And also, look at this thing. Энийг сайн надад сарнаа өгсөхгүй сарнаатай уулзсан соёолж ороод энэ яг тийм сарнаагаас өмжтөн үнэр ээ. I like it. Тий амар coconut үнэртэй захгүй юу? It smells like the sun, you know? It smells like an island summer. Хөөрхөн л юм. Надад энэ ялуу шүү гэд төгсөн. Гэтэ гайгүй нэ нэг амар чихэрлэг мэхэрлэг бол биш юм байна. Okay, tell me why I am obsessed with this. It's called From Bureaucrat to Villainous. That's been reincarnated. It's this new anime, right? Okay guys, let's go out. It's so fucking late. I just did like a test shoot to figure out the lighting. Hi. I just woke up. It's 10:08. Yeah, I can't tell if like the things around here is getting better or not. But we're gonna go to the estheticians in a couple of days, so we'll see what happens. Our family's going on a girls' trip. Миний хөөж болцсон. Би өглөө гойсоор нарсахгүй. Яг ингээд амар олон төрлийн оонууд хольж хэрэглээд байгаа болохоор ингээд амны нүгээр ингээд амар чисгэн гараад байгаа. I want to see if they have the Aquafloss thing. Ингээд таашаа харуул North Mazda. Яа юм нэрч гэсэн хөрхөн нөгөө зүйлэг ургаал. Ингээд томор нь харуул. Оёр Justic.
Насаа хууч чадав.
Ёо.
Шүглээд газ.
Тэгэхэд нэг ямаа маа.
Mama.
Чүхгүй хэрэгээ юм байна. Нэрийг тавьж. Мөөхөө. Энэ муу зэрэг юу доктороо чи хатараа. Хатараа гэсэн.
Инхийг хэмжээнд хоол хийж идгээд ирсэн байна. Элни. Энэ юм уу? Ясаг өрх юм бэ нач?
Шга дайсан штэ. Тэгээ ингээд ямаанууд нь тийш авчихсан. Инээс ямаанаа хөөхн.
Энд чи бүр сайхан төрсөн юм шүү. Ивэрэн дөнгөж ургаж эхэлж байгаа юм шүү чаас.
Тийш тий.
Тийтээ.
Дүртэй.
Дүртэй мө. За. Тэс гэрлүүч орж иж гэнэ өдөр. Мэдгүй тэр нөгөө нэг гол замаасаа салаалаад явах юм болов уу? Салаалаад явсан чинь нэг эмээ өөс. Тэр нараштай хаан нэшсэн чи. Яманы замаар яв гэдэг л өгсөн. Тэгээ явжсэн чи. Дахиад замаа салаалаад ирэхгүй юу? Тэгээд айл харахгүй байсан. Тэгээ гайхаад тэгээд за гэ зүүн талаа бариад ингээ явжсэн чи. Хажууд нэг уулс руу явдаг зам байна. Тэр нь юм болов уу гэд тийшээ яваад тэгээд ингээд хой толонтой харсан чи дараагч гаргаж байна. Тэгээ ботч ирэхэд оч. Үүрээ охин уу?
Үүрийг охин уу гэж хэлээ.
Имэн. Тэгсэн очгоо. Чи уулаа хайсах байгаа. Сүнчээ. Okay, I'm driving. Okay, let's go.
Эш гаад.
Өгөөрэй. Oo. Имэтэ зүг барьчих.